Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC solid finish today, guys. Closing above resistance. We had a resistance today at 1675. Straight out of the gate this morning, we broke above that with ease, and then traded above that resistance point all day, guys, very strongly. That's exactly what we wanted to see. After we stated, after breaking through 1675, we were run up to around the high $18 range, guys. We had a resistance at around 1885. That's why we got stopped out earlier midday when we ran up to 1872 and came back down. Once we made our video previously, we were saying that we wanted 9 times out of 10 wants to stop break through resistance, and if it's going to continue to trend up and it ain't a bull trap, it will continue to make higher lows, and it will treat that previous resistance as a form of support, guys. That's exactly what we want to see, meaning we want to see AMC stay above 1675 after breaking it, and if it came back down, we wanted to hold up at 1675, now using that as a form of support, guys. So we seen something even better than that. After breaking above those levels, guys, we ran up right around 4 o'clock, almost touching $19, and our low point of the day was right around $17.62, guys. And like I was saying before, that's exactly what I wanted to see. I wanted to see us hold up in the 17s instead of going back down near that 1675 support, because it will give us even more conviction, guys, holding up in the 17s than going down near support, giving us an indication. Sometimes when you go and test support, we could go and break right that back down, guys. So it's giving us a strong indication that AMC is ready to trend up, and trend up hardly, guys. So we know what our next barriers is that's in our way right now. We broke through that 1885. As we did so, we came back down, broke under it, guys. Now we need to break through it and stay above it, treat that 1885 as a form of support, steady doing what we need to do to staircase our way up, guys, working our way to that main resistance at $22, because that's going to be the resistance that we need to break through before we can really give us some breathing room. Because staying right here in this area, right near 15, 16, you know, we making progress. We doing exactly what we intend to do, but it's not too much yet, guys. That $2 to $3 fluctuation in price is not nothing. It's a drop in the bucket compared to what the move AMC is going to make once it break above 22 bucks, guys. It could make a $10 move to the upside. That's exactly what we want to see. So we know how the media like to paint its narrative on why the stock market is, you know, moving up, or why AMC is moving up. Whenever 10 times out of 10, whenever we've been getting all the good news in the past, we can't get no movement out of it. But as soon as, you know, they can't hold it down no more, the synthetics, of course they got a lot of synthetics, and we know they're manipulating the stock price, but it's going to come a time in the day when they can't, you know, they can't continue to do so. They can't continue to keep affording to do that if the ape's not giving up like they expected us to. So with that being said, that's why the price action started moving back up, guys. It was already intended to do so, but we know the media like to control the narrative and like to, you know, put some type of reasoning out there for people that don't know much about the stock market onto why it's actually going up. Not trying to say that good news and good information can't push the price up, or bad news or bad information can't push the price down. I'm just saying that every time we hear this, or every time they try to control the narrative of why a stock went up, it ain't always true, guys. It's more than just one, you know, more than just that went into the tied in with that price action. Because think about this, just because, you know, retail investors, you think a herd of new retail investors or a herd of institutions bought up AMC share price just because of the news on today. Whenever they heard all this good prior news, they been had a chance to buy at even better prices when they know AMC was already doing this. They didn't know AMC was going to get a team, or better team, to actually strategically grow the popcorn industry, but they already knew this play was going into effect. AMC already talked about this. So it's like, you know, this ain't just happened today. We been knew about this. It's just they gotten smarter with the plan. So my thing is, they will try to control the narrative if they can, and not just one particular thing pushes the stock up or down, guys. It's multiple things that tie in with what goes in with that price action and the algorithm of the markets. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. We already well aware of what happened today. The AMC announced the company is hiring a former Pepsi-Cola executive to oversee its popcorn business expansion. Beginning February 18, Ellen Kopkin will join AMC as the vice president of the growth strategy. AMC said Kopkin will lead the implementation of growth ideas related to popcorn sales outside of AMC's and theater channels. So that's a great move for AMC, guys. We already touched bases on that on the last video. We already know that's a power move for AMC, and we know a lot more institutions will be getting involved as they see AMC fundamentally grow, guys. So that's what we want to see. AMC has been climbing today, guys, steady staircasing his way up, making higher lows. Exactly what we want to see for a continuation with AMC. We broke through straight out of the gate this morning at that 1675 and started holding up very, very strongly with a lot of strength, guys, showing us that we can easily continue going into tomorrow, especially towards the end of the day. We had bounced up and retested that resistance at 1885. We ain't just retested, we broke straight through it, running up almost touching $19, guys. We know our next key level is around the mid 20s, 2021, and that major resistance is at 22. Once we break through 22, that's when we can stop patting around, going up $1-2, because we need to get out of this zone right here. We still in the danger zone, being that, you know, we did good from the fact that we've been consolidating for a while and finally getting momentum, but we still only $2, $3, $4 away from our low point. We need to go ahead and make that big $10, $15 move to the upside to let shorts, hedge funds know it's really real and we're really taking back control. We still got a long way to go, guys, to even get back in the bullish sentiment. We still on defense all the way up to that $30 barrier. Once breaking over 30, we still got to cross over 32 before we get into a bullish sentiment, in my opinion. So you already know, guys, that's all I really got for this video. You already know, let's not get ahead of ourselves too soon, because I also, you know, got to mention that we got an inflation data that's being reported on Thursday, on tomorrow, and that can most definitely dictate the direction of the stock market as well, guys. Like I say, they come out with these, and not saying that the news is going to automatically make the stock market come down, just saying the stock market will already be pricing in on what's going to happen, and it could come down before the news even come out, and then they would say this is why the stock market came down, because of the inflation data, guys. Because like I told you guys, I believe the stock market is ready to return very, very strongly. They cannot push this market down too much lower, guys. It'll be deals of a lifetime. People is going to get really, really rich off of these, you know, off of dumb money selling, and they eating up these share prices, because the market is on sale, and I don't think it's going too much lower, guys. So they most definitely will try and, you know, change directions of the market on tomorrow if they can, due to the inflation data. Hopefully it's on our side, guys, and AMC can push straight through it, guys, because we don't need anything interfering with what we got going on right now. AMC is going in our direction. We need to keep it that way. But tomorrow is a hurdle, though. I do expect a continuation, but I just want to bring that to you guys' attention, that inflation data will be a problem. So let's see about that and hold our horses, and hopefully we make it through that, guys. So that's all I got for this video. You already know what to do. Add me on Instagram. I love you guys. We out, and God bless you. We go.